Welcome to everyone. Today we will see that convex mirror image formation of ray diagram. Before you should subscribe my YouTube channel, like, comment, share it. Don't forget click the bell buttons. Let us start our class today. Convex mirror. A convex mirror is a type of spherical mirror in which the reflecting surface is the bulge out of portion of the sphere. In this type of mirror, the reflecting surface bulges out towards the instant light of source. Because of their shape, the instant light is reflected outwards or diverged. Thus, there are also called diverging mirrors, and thus they are not used for focusing light. Both law of reflections are valid at each and every point of the mirror. The normal in this case drawn normal to the tangent at the point of instant. It is drawn by the joining the center of curvature of the mirror to the point of instant. Thus, the divergence of rays after reflection is because the normal to the surface differs at each point and the mirror. Convex mirror always form virtual images. This is because the focus point or focal point and the center of curvature of the convex mirror are imaginary points and that cannot be reached. So the image is formed inside the mirror and cannot be projected on the screen. The image formed looks smaller than object is formed at distance, but it gets larger as the object is brought close to the mirror. The ray diagrams. Ray emerging from a point actually meet at another point after the reflection, and that point is called the image of first point. The image is real if the ray converges to the point, and it is a virtual if the rays do not meet it but appears to diverge from a point when the rays are produced backwards. During the image formation, we assume that rays are parallax. There are instant at point close to the pole P of the mirror and make small angle with the principal axis. For a convex mirror, we consider two positions of object before the mirror. When object is placed at infinity. Second, when object is placed between infinity and pole of the mirror. The first one we are going to discussing about when object is placed at infinity. For the image formation by the convex mirror, in this condition, we consider two rays parallel to the principal axis and one directed towards to the pole of the mirror originating from the object. Thus, rays after reflection from an image at F, the principal focus of mirror, which is behind the convex mirror. The image thus formed is highly diminished, virtual and erect. Second, we are going to discussing about that. You can see image of diagram. When object is placed between infinity and pole. In the situation of the image formation by a convex mirror, we consider two different rays emerging from the object, one parallel to the principal axis and other directed towards to the center of curvature of the mirror. Thus, ray after reflection form an image between the pole and focus of F behind the mirror. You can see image of diagram. The image thus formed is diminished, virtual and erect. Thank you. We will see the next video. You should subscribe my YouTube channel, like, comment, share it. Don't forget click the bell buttons. Thank you.